Hi! Here we are, my Bruce and I, for another video. It's going to be there like 25 videos more. Okay? Nowadays I'm using my sewing machine a lot, so it needs like everything, cleaning and maintaining. So let's do that today, because I think it's really in need of that. And the first thing we're going to do is to get rid of the spool and bobbin we have inside, and look for this compartment down here where they bring all the oil and a little screwdriver and things like that I already have outside. It has quite a lot of dust and lint, of course, because when the thread goes through all the inside, it gets all the little lint and it stays there, so that makes the machine not work properly or make it really noisy and loud. We have everything ready. We have a microfiber, I don't like touching it, cloth. I have two makeup brushes that I don't use. You know, these sort of packs that bring like millions of brushes and you don't get to use them. Then I have the oil it brings, a little brush as well. It's quite hard. And the screwdrivers. And I have an extra one because at some point I needed it and I left it there. Has loads of lint. And of course the oil also makes the lint go into a paste. Let me know down in the comments how often you clean your machine, because I think I don't do it enough. And if you've ever discovered anything weird by cleaning it. I don't know about you, but I'm always afraid of doing this. Yay! Ooh. And we're going to really make sure that we get rid of all that lint. Let's really get in all these corners. You can always blow, that always helps. Do you want a close-up of the lint I've got? Now we're going to oil it, and how and where. Where we see it moves. So for example, this long stick here that it's moving, it will need a drop, only a drop of this oil. And once we have it there, we'll move it so it spreads. It's only a little bit, eh? And if you're going to sew soon after this, I will tell you to not to wait for a bit or anything, but just to use an old cloth first, so in case any oil drops, if you have too much in there or something like that, it doesn't ruin your piece of material. Thank you so much for coming with me in this cleaning adventure. I hope you've enjoyed it and it was useful and you feel a little less afraid of disassembling a bit and greasing it and cleaning it, because remember, it deserves it. It's done so much for you, so just clean it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe, because on Tuesday there's another video coming up. Bye!